If you're feeling lost among so many organization tools and can't find the best one, I have a few words for you. I finally found a simple system that helps me keep track of my tasks as a PhD student, so I don't lose deadlines or my head in my busy routine. First of all, make it simple. Keep in mind that you don't need a complex or professional system to be able to get organized. Take a closer look at your needs. Think carefully about the features you need to gather your ideas and tasks. Don't fear testing as many apps and tools as you need, so you can figure out the best for you. After trying many tools and methods, here is what works better for me and how to make the most out of each one to help you get your life together. My first tool that helped me keep track of my monthly and weekly tasks is a simple planner. I have it in digital and printed versions because I can't carry my iPad everywhere. I love the monthly layout as I can see all my annotations at a glance. I annotate the main tasks and events at the beginning of a new month and add new ones whenever necessary. There, I also put the monthly priorities and notes to remember. Regarding the weekly plans, I like our days of the week on a single page, as it makes it easier to manage my tasks. I plan the week ahead on Sundays and try to distribute my tasks with time blocking, but it's not a rigid system. I always try to leave blank spaces for new assignments or delays. I use a digital planner I created myself for iPad. You can check it out in a special video about it. Notion is where I gather the information I need to access all year. There, I put my year plans into different sections: personal, education, projects, and professional. I insert my monthly expenses and financial education notes into the personal section. It is more practical than writing by hand on my planner, and it's easier to access the notes later. I also track my year-round readings on Notion. I put the books I want to read in a list tagged by month. I love this feature, as I can move the books to another month without writing everything again or messing up my page, as it would with a physical journal. I consider Notion the best place to organize everything related to my PhD. Here I track my experiments with a timeline, my literature review notes with a table, and the writing process of papers and abstracts. If you want to know more about this new template, please let me know in the comments. You can also watch other Notion tutorials for students and download free Notion templates from my previous videos. They are linked in the description box below. I love Apple Notes. It is my favorite app for inserting daily checklists. If you don't use an iPhone or iPad, don't worry. There are similar Apple Notes apps for Android like Microsoft To Do and Google Keep. First, I see my weekly tasks in my digital planner. Then I place them into my Apple Notes every day. As I'm always with my phone, it is the most practical option to take notes when I'm in a hurry or not with my iPad. For example, whenever I go shopping, I create a list in Apple Notes, so I don't forget to buy anything important and don't spend more than I plan. You can check some cool Apple Notes tricks on my video in the card linked above. So, this is the personal organization system that works best for me. It may take some time, but I'm sure you can find the one that suits you better, as I was able to find mine. I hope this video brings a little light to your mind and helps you find the best way to organize your routine. Comment below with your doubts and suggestions, I would love to know. And don't forget to subscribe so I can see you in my next video.